Hey guys, we're going to do an unboxing and a little review on a new fireman generator that I just picked up. Let's take a look at it. So this generator here comes with a starting wattage of 7125, a running wattage of 5700. I'm going to use this to power up my house when we have power outages. I already have my house wired for that. So this generator should run most of the things that I need when we have a power outage. Looks like it comes with everything already. This one here has a heavy-duty handle for pulling it around. It comes on wheels. Actually comes with the tools and the oil. It has a 13-hour runtime on a single tank of gas, which is good. It's 8 gallons. 389cc engine, which is a pretty good size engine. And another thing that kind of struck me was that, as you can see here, it has a 3-year warranty, which is pretty nice. Usually most generators come with a 1-year warranty. So it took 2 people to get this on the truck at the store, so I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to get it off, but I got a plan. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to start unboxing. So what I've decided to do is use one of my ATV ramps. I'm going to secure it to the truck, and hopefully that generator should slide right down to the floor. Let's see how it goes. We need to cut the straps. Go. Mission accomplished. Okay, we got the truck out of the way, door closed up, so let's start unboxing this. Looks like a quick startup guide. We'll take a look at that. I'll throw that on the desk. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to lift this out, so we're probably going to have to cut the sides of the box open so that we can get into everything. Looks like the spare parts. probably the handle and the wheels. It looks like the tools, instruction manual, and warranty card. This generator actually came with the oil included. My last one didn't. That's a nice little bonus. Put that aside. The handle. Pretty heavy duty. Brackets. Oh, an oil funnel. That's nice. And some pretty nice wheels. They're pretty large. Okay. Put all this stuff aside for assembling it. And I guess we're going to have to cut into the sides of it. Pretty well wrapped up. I think I can just pull it out like this and get the box away. Then we can save the box for all the information. Okay, let's pull this box away. There's a plastic coating on the tank, which is nice. Should last quite a while without rusting. Notice card just to make sure you don't run it first without putting the oil in. On the top actually has the instructions, a quick startup, which is nice if you're not familiar with the generator. You should be able to start this no problem. Okay, let's get some more of this wrapping off and then we'll dive into it a little bit more. So in the box came a few things. This sheet here has your parts inventory. It also shows you how to assemble the generator. And on the flip side, we have your do's and don'ts. We also have a quick startup guide and some suggestions for storage. Also came the tools, which is nice. It came with the spark plug tool, the wrenches for assembly. It has the operator's manual and the warranty card. So let's lay everything out and get started on putting this together. So I got everything unwrapped and out of the plastic. I checked it with the inventory list and everything was there. The wheels, the axles, the nuts, the stand, the funnel, and the oil. So next we're going to start putting it together, and then we'll fill it up with oil and gas and see how this runs. As you can see, I took a piece of wood, because I'm doing this on my own, to block up the end of the generator. That way I can get the stand on. And then I'll do the opposite on the other side to do the wheels. So let's start getting this together. And we might as well be comfortable. Grab the chair. Get these started first. Tighten them up later. What size are these? Move this to the other side so I can get to this one. Front one. Guess we can put on this handle next. It's a little easier, it holds itself in place. Okay, onto the wheels. Jack this side up. There we go. These are just held on by a cotter pin. They're kind of small, so I might actually go with a bigger one later on. We'll see how they hold up. Okay. The back one. Okay. There we go. Our tools away, our block of wood away. Oh yeah, very nice to move. Very easy. It is heavy, but it is a big generator, so it's to be expected, but okay. Next step is to oil and gas. So I got everything ready for putting the oil in, and then we'll gas it up. It doesn't really say the oil capacity, so it just says to keep on adding oil until you check the level on the dipstick. So we'll just go with that. Make sure we don't overfill it. So down here is the oil filler. It is dry. This in. And if anyone's interested, it is 10W30 that goes into this particular generator. But that's usually what goes into most generators, but you can check with different temperatures. Sometimes it takes different oils. And another thing with generators, it's recommended that you change the oil quite frequently. It'll tell me in the instruction manual how many hours before I do an oil change. It's not like a car. Usually after a day of running, they want you to change the oil. No leaks. Just keep adding it. Funnel's pretty small, so it's going to take a little time. And actually, where the oil filler goes, the opening is pretty big, so I can see in there and see when we're getting close to full. But if by some chance you did overfill it, there's a drain plug and you could let some out just to get it to that correct level. But I'd rather not waste any. Okay, we'll go with that much. And a flashlight to see if we can see how much is in there. Actually looks like it's getting close. Add a little bit more and then we'll check it with the dipstick. Let that run through. We need a rag so I don't get oil all over the floor. Put this dipstick all the way in, check it. Do it a second time so we can get an accurate level. Actually, it's still a little bit low, so continue adding some more oil. Might actually take this whole quart. It's almost the whole thing. Let's see what that does. I don't want to overfill it because I don't want to have to drain some. Usually gets pretty messy. Okay. Clean this off. Just a little bit more and we'll be full. So it is pretty much the whole quart that this particular generator takes. And that should be enough. We're almost at the high mark on our dipstick. Close this up, then we'll gas it up. We'll open up the garage door so it's ventilated and try and start it. Oh, that's nice. It's got a filter built in and there's a chain on the cap so you don't lose it or it blows away. Now, it says regular gas is fine for this. We'll just put enough in it to start it. And then we'll check the storage recommendations, see if we need to put any additives in here. That should be enough. And we'll get the door and start it up. So right on the top of the machine, you can see it has the quick start guide. So we'll go through it, we'll check it. The oil's done, we just gassed it up. So we need to open up the petcock for the fuel. And we turn the generator on. We set the choke to start, and hopefully when we pull the cord it starts and we should be able to run anything that we want. So I'll put this down. It's probably going to be fairly loud, but we have the door open and it's well ventilated. So let's give it a try. We'll open up the petcock and put the choke on. Start up and see how it starts. Oh, first pull. pretty good. Started up first pull. So we shut the power off and we'll reset the choke and we'll turn the fuel off. And I guess that's pretty much for storage, for just putting it away. I'm pretty impressed. Maybe next video we'll see what it can run. We'll put a couple things on it and see how it works under load. Oh, one other thing I noticed is there's actually a gas gauge on this generator, which is nice to have, so you can go out and check it periodically. Well, that unwrapping is done, or unboxing, whatever you guys want to call it. On to the next video.